The new letter is, I will leave this one here, but I will add a new dot over of it. So we'll give me in English TH, which the TH of thank you, thank you. So this is sa, sa. Sa. In my table, I can do like this. So notice that 2, 3 points, okay? I am sure that you know how to do it. 3 points, 3 points, dots. Okay, my friends, the new letter will be, I need a line now because this letter goes under and above the line. This is nun equal the N in English. Nun, her name is Nun. I write it here. Nun. This letter in the beginning, actually, look, the same, because you have this 2 edge, so we can do the same and cancel it and have the same shape, because we have to put it over the line, on the line. So that's why this N, this nun exists here. So the nun in the beginning will give me the same shape, but with 1 point above. In the middle will give me the same shape, but 1 point. In the final connected and final isolated, I will put my aid line, okay? Then I will draw the end exactly entire end, because we said it must be entire, as you remember, okay? So will give me this shape, look. So here I can do, that's why. And final, I will eliminate this, I will erase this, it will start to stay, it will stay like this. If I have ba plus nun, can you write this word please? Okay, like this, that's right. If we have a line, look, if we have a line, the line must be always by the head line. Okay, another one. Ba plus ta plus nun will give me, try to do it before me. Exactly. That's it. Say nun and tha and ta will give me exactly. There is no point here. 1.32. Now you can't read any word because we will learn it after we will take the next 6 letters. We will learn how to read in Arabic. Okay, last letter. I need also my line. Look at it. We have a line. Okay, make a perfect S. English S. Make it perfect. Not like this. Like this, huh? Perfect. Okay? And just go ahead and put 2 points here. So, over the line must be like this. Look. Like this. This is equal al y in English. In Arabic, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead here and write it here. Here is the ya. Its name is ya. Very important. It's not I, it's not A. Okay? At the beginning, okay? So I can make this here. At the middle must be like this. Final connected. Look at me. I have the line. I come with my head line. I will do it in black this time. And I will start to make the S. And go on. That's it. Again. Okay. So I can write it here. The last position is final isolated. It must be like the like this, yeah, in the alphabet. So isolated. You got it. If I have plus noon plus, well, that's enough. Will give me, yes, do it. I have noon plus plus sa will give me okay. If I have ta plus noon plus will give me ta in the beginning, noon in the middle, final, connected. And that's it. Exercises. See you next lesson. Goodbye.